Azure Synapse REST API is a powerful tool that allows developers to interact with Azure Synapse Analytics programmatically. In this guide, we will explore what Azure Synapse REST API is and how it can be used to manage and analyze data in Azure Synapse. First, let us start with the basics of Azure Synapse Analytics. It is a cloud-based enterprise data warehouse that allows users to integrate and analyze data from various sources. Azure Synapse provides a scalable and secure platform for data warehousing and big data analytics. The Azure Synapse REST API is a set of RESTful APIs that allow developers to access and manage Azure Synapse resources programmatically. The API provides a wide range of capabilities, including creating and managing workspaces, databases, and pipelines. It also allows developers to execute queries, manage users and roles, and monitor performance. To get started with the Azure Synapse REST API, you need to register an application with Azure Active Directory and grant the necessary permissions. You can then use the client ID and client secret to authenticate and authorize API requests. One of the key benefits of using the Azure Synapse REST API is that it allows developers to automate tasks and workflows. For example, you can use the API to create a new workspace, deploy a database, and execute a query all programmatically. Another benefit of the Azure Synapse REST API is that it provides a wide range of capabilities for managing and analyzing data. For example, you can use the API to create and manage pipelines, which are used to extract, transform, and load data into Azure Synapse. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to use secure authentication and authorization mechanisms when using the Azure Synapse REST API. It is also recommended to use the API to automate tasks and workflows, rather than manually performing tasks through the Azure portal. In conclusion, the Azure Synapse REST API is a powerful tool that provides a wide range of capabilities for managing and analyzing data in Azure Synapse. By following the steps outlined in this guide, developers can get started with the Azure Synapse REST API and start automating tasks and workflows. Today, with its scalable and secure platform, Azure Synapse is an ideal choice for enterprise data warehousing and big data analytics.